My main motivation to choose Anglo-American University was to study in a truly international field. I also really liked how involved were professors and faculty with the students, and I really liked the location in the very center of Europe.
The location of Prague itself seemed perfect. It's like right in the center of Europe. Mix it with the international education that AAU provides. With it only being 3 years and dually accredited, I was very easily convinced.
I wanted to go out of my comfort zone, and because I'm very fond of traveling, I decided to choose a school at the heart of Europe. I think the diversity of the student body enriched my experience in AAU because it allowed me to be more open to other cultures. I feel that since we all come from different places, we're learning more about how other people think and speak and interact. It makes you a more well-rounded person.
A lot of the professors here also come from a very diverse background, so you don't just get one point of view.
The event with the meeting with the ambassador in the Anglo-American University helped me to make connections and score my internship at the Embassy of Ukraine. It really helped me to strengthen my professional skills and to have more experience regarding my future goals and future diplomatic career.
Talks with ambassadors from other countries allows us to interact with professionals in the fields that we are hoping to be part of in the future.
So my advice for students would be to really take chance of everything that is happening here. Don't be afraid to get involved, to participate in different activities, because your time at AAU is what you make out of it, so make it count.